Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I'm a fan of potatoes, a fan of ham and cheese. So I decided to put this together, this potato ham and cheese roll, great for any occasion, parties, birthdays, whatever it might be. You're going to love it, so let me walk you through it. So to kick things off, I got 5 eggs here that I've cracked up. And I'm going to season them up with some salt, a little bit more, and my all-time favorite, pepper. And of course, a whisking we will go. After that, I'm going to grate up 3 medium-sized potatoes. And this is great. Add them into the egg mixture and mix it up just like me until they're well combined. What I've got here is a baking pan lined with some parchment paper. I sprayed the bottom and it makes the parchment paper stick. And I'm just going to take the mixture and pour it in. Take my handy dandy spatula and flatten it out so it's nice and even. Now we've got it flattened out. I'm going to place this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius oven for about 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, it's nicely set. So I'm just going to remove it from the pan and set it aside. Now I'm going to lay some cooked ham over the top. And this is going to be about, I'd say 6 slices. Followed by some sliced cheddar. Now you can use mozzarella, Gouda, whatever you wish, the cheese of your choice. Then we're just going to kind of tuck and roll this. This is going to be so good, guys. There we go, perfect. And I'm going to slip this back into the pan and back into the oven again for another few minutes, just until the cheese melts. After about 5 minutes, the cheese is nicely melted, and there you have it, guys, our potato ham and cheese roll. Okay, let's slice into this and see what we got. Oh my goodness, doesn't this look incredibly delicious? So good, guys. The egg, the potato, the cheese. I gotta eat more of this. You gotta make this. Full scoop on this recipe. Head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff on over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.